Hello, this is Wes with Baron Heating and BaronGreenTeam.com. Thanks for tuning in. This is a single head Fujitsu 15RLS2. You've probably seen it before, but just wanted to show you the application and what we're doing. And not too many videos out there that show the head opening, that kind of stuff. And there's some specifics that you as a consumer need to know about this unit in particular that are small, but very important. Okay. So in this case, let's turn it on and you can get an idea of how that startup looks. So this is a transforming unit. So when it comes on to heat, it will open up. You want to make sure you have enough space on the top there. Okay. Now if you leave the seeing eye mode on, that stays like that all the time, because you can notice that the seeing eye is right there. So that's one thing. But most people don't use that feature because they got pets or whatever, and they don't live by themselves. Or like with nobody. But some people do, and so they'll use that, and then that just kind of does its 8-degree swing throughout the day, which is convenient, just whenever you come home. But but if there's pets and such, then it'll just kind of be confused throughout most of the day. So I'll give you an idea of volume here. Now we did have, I believe, the fridge come on, which is the only noise that's on right now. So if you're hearing something in the background, that's actually the fridge. All right. So that's kicking on. What I did want to show you was in this back room, I've got, so we didn't have the ability to run up in the walls or anything like that, and that's pretty rare that we do that, opening sheetrock, etc. in a retrofit scenario. So I wanted to show you what we did in the back. Now, this is called Speedy Channel. It's a line set cover, and so coming up, we just went right into the back of the unit, just from an inside wall, and this room is rarely used. Even if it was, it wouldn't really, it's not that big of a deal. You can paint it the same color as the wall and go from there. I'll take you to the outdoor unit and I'll give you some more specifics about this unit in particular. One of the things about the 15RLS2 is that it is extremely efficient and it has a ton of heat output. Fujitsu oversized the compressor in this unit so that even at low temps, even without the H model, which only has a pan heater in it, you get really great heat production. The 9RLS2, just for comparison, has a true capacity at 14 degrees of 16,000 BTUs. The 15RLS2, at its highest level is somewhere around 26,000 BTUs, and it's called a 15 just because of the air conditioning side of it. That's another thing to remember. You probably heard it before, but model series numbers are always the air conditioning side, not the heating side. So it has a maximum 15,000 BTU air conditioning and 26,000 BTU heating, which is very close to a regular system's 18 model series unit, etc., except it does even better at low temps. So the other thing that you'll notice about the Fujitsu Outdoor is that because the compressor is oversized, it has a little bit, tiny bit more size and a little bit more of volume. Barely. Okay, so it's running right now. Okay, that's really, really good. But it is louder than, say, like a Daikin 12L series. And that, I believe, I allot that to the oversized unit. The other thing about the Fujitsu is that, from an application standpoint, I'll take you inside so you can hear a head running. But from an application standpoint, this is a perfect unit because it puts out a lot of heat, but it doesn't throw, there it is again, it doesn't throw a lot of air around the house. So that's the important part of if you're in a space like this, where you're trying to heat a main body of space, but you're not trying to shoot the air 50 feet, then it's really good because it puts out a lot of heat saturation with a lower volume, and that creates a ton of comfort. Daikin does have a better warranty than the Fujitsu, but we haven't had like any major issues with either brand. And in this case, these types of things a lot of times will trump those just that, extended warranty portion, when you get the aesthetics, you get the right amount of air volume, you get the BTUs you're looking for, etc. And in this case, this unit, let's see, what was the thing I was going to tell you? Shoot. Oh, keep in mind that this head, a lot of people like this designer series head, this head can be used on a multi, Fujitsu multi. And Fujitsu right now has the most diverse head arrangement on a multi that exists right now with all the different features they have. Fujitsu, if you're watching, you need to get a better thermostat control for your units. Like Daikin has the NV control, which is amazing, by the way. But Fujitsu is going to come in line with something like that probably soon, and we can't wait to see that. Thanks for watching.